All right, here's a used bike we just purchased. It's just about as slick as it can get. It's a 2002 Harley Davidson Fatboy. This bike's got an original 8,900 miles on it. And whoever bought this bike new, they spent a lot of money on it. They put a lot of goodies on it. You can kind of see it's got backrest and luggage rack and saddlebags and windshield. There's a few other things I'll point out as we go around. The backrest is a detachable backrest, so that whole thing will detach. Luggage rack, backrest will all come off. The saddlebags are a hard bag that is lockable, so you can lock them. It's not just a throw over bag. Those are really good Harley Davidson bags. It's got a stock exhaust, stock air cleaner. Nothing's ever been tampered with. It has some of the kind of mini footboards instead of just foot pegs for the passenger. They've put an engine guard on it as well with highway pegs. The paint is just perfect, pretty much. It's got one little hickey on the rear fender I'll show you when I get around to it. So it's had spotlights put on it or passing lamps put on it. It's had the windshield put on it. It has also had a headlight nacelle put on it, which was an accessory that you could do back in that day. They were expensive to put on, so a lot of people didn't do it. It's got the signature Fatboy wheels. Tires are in excellent condition. Coming around this side, everything's just as good. This is a really nice looking motorcycle. It'll be very affordable. Again, 8,934 miles. It doesn't have any miles on it. I'll show you the miles so you can see them. 8934. I'll show you that little hickey on the rear fender. And this is the only thing that I see on the whole bike. Right on the very tip of it. Somebody backed in a little bit of something right there. But that is about it. I'll start it up. You can listen to it.